Managing passwords across a business can quickly become chaotic and dangerous. Nearly 1/3 of small business breaches involve stolen credentials. Without the right tools, teams often share logins in insecure ways, putting sensitive data at risk. Proton Pass gives your team one secure place to store, manage, and control access to everything they need, simply and safely. End-to-end encryption protects everything, by default. Easy for your team, secure by design. Here's how it works. You can securely share logins with teammates, even external partners, while keeping everything encrypted and access controlled. Use shared vaults to manage credentials by team or department, or share just one login when full access isn't needed. Need to share with someone outside your organization? Send a secure link, no Proton account required. Onboarding and offboarding is quick and secure. Admins get full visibility and control. Monitor usage with the activity log, enforce sharing policies and password rules, and ensure stronger protection with two-factor authentication. You can even check who has 2FA enabled and encourage adoption organization-wide. And with SSO and SCIM support, Proton Pass makes managing access at scale effortless, from fast onboarding to centralized provisioning. Proton Pass is part of the Proton ecosystem, one encrypted workspace with mail, calendar, drive, and VPN. Proton is ISO 27001 certified, GDPR compliant, SOC 2 Type 2 audited, and HIPAA ready. Our products protect your team's confidentiality, making them a great fit for consulting, finance, healthcare, and legal firms. Based in Switzerland, we keep your data safe under some of the world's strongest privacy laws. Join over 50,000 businesses that trust Proton to keep their work confidential. Confidentiality you can count on.